An interesting feature of the newest and world's biggest cruise ship, Royal Caribbean's, the Icon of the Sea. With up to 7,600 passengers moving around the ship at any given time, Icon of the Sea have implemented destination elevators, which is an optimization technique used for multi-elevator installations, which groups passengers for the same destinations into the same elevators, thereby reducing waiting and travel times when compared to a traditional system where all passenger wishing to ascend or descend enter the same elevator and then request their destination.